will meet in Leicestershire and form part of around 7,000 from across the country who will converge on Parliament Square. There are similar protests across the world, and in Scotland, bikers will dismount and turn their backs symbolically on Parliament. Now, many of those taking part today are veterans themselves. Some of them served during the Troubles, and the organiser, Harry, here was just telling me that they believe the decision to prosecute one person in relation to events on Bloody Sunday leaves many others vulnerable. But for the families, they say 13 people were killed on that day, 14 injured. They're frustrated and angry that more aren't facing charges. 30th of January 1972 began as a civil rights march in Derry. But after members of the Parachute Regiment opened fire, it ended with 13 people dead. It became known as Bloody Sunday. The official inquiry lasted 12 years, and in 2010 it decided all of the victims were innocent. But it was only last month that one paratrooper, Soldier F, was told he'll be charged with murder. Relatives were disappointed that more soldiers aren't being prosecuted. But 3 veterans have handed back their medals in protest, saying Soldier F and his colleagues were doing their job. Today, thousands of bikers, many veterans themselves, are getting ready to converge on London from across the country in support of Soldier F. For all sides, the events of 47 years ago are still not forgotten. Katie Rickett, Good Morning Britain.